guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I think we're gonna not go out of our comfort zone, but we're gonna try something new. I think we're gonna try two techniques. We're gonna mix two techniques, should I say. We're gonna mix realism with abstract. There's no law against it, and I think it's going to be interesting. I think we have to demystify the way we do abstract and fluid pouring. Both of them on the same canvas. I think it's interesting. I think it's out of what we do usually. I think it's going to be interesting. This time we're going to use a stencil. Afterwards, I'm not sure, but I think I'm going to do a fluid pouring with a few colors representing the sky. Then with a stencil, we're going to put some kind of a bird on it afterward. Once the pouring we're going to do is going to be dry, then we're going to do it. Well, of course, we'll see what happens. So let's go and try it, then we're going to talk afterward about it. So. Okay guys, so I hope you're going to agree that the mix of the two technique is very interesting. Like you saw, we did a fluid pouring, which I think is in this case better than a flip cup, since a flip cup would have given us cells, which I didn't want, of course, but because I just wanted to just be between the line between realism and abstract. So I think it's interesting. I think the use of a stencil is very interesting. I think I'm going to use it more often with all kind of subject. I think it's a nice approach. I think it's out of the usual that we see often. So I think it's interesting. Of course, to each his own. As you saw, I did work my sky. There was the line that I make at the far, in the middle, should I say, of my oval canvas, which of course the oval canvas is also very interesting to work on. It's another view of the work that gives us something very interesting. So as you saw, I did put my own branch, to put the bird on it. I think, of course, like I said, it's very interesting. To each his own, though. You can do your sky whichever way you prefer. I think there's another way to go about it. Even if I would do it again, I wouldn't do it the same way. But I did like this method. So, guys, like always, I hope you like it. And thanks for being here. I hope you're going to come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Bye.